Hi, my name is Danny, and I came about using this law firm through my cousin Donald, and he told me that they were a good law firm. So I took it upon myself to contact them, and they gave me the best service that I ever had from a car accident. The law firm was very kindly, and they treated me very well. They helped me fill out forms and all type of things, and I was very pleased with the outcome that they gave me. And the results that I got, I was very pleased. And Paul Garfield, who's my lawyer, was very helpful to me, and he told me a lot, and I learned a lot from him. And I would recommend him to anyone who is interested in filing a case